Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to change Canon pixma G2060 printer maintenance cartridge. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. You see on printer screen error code is 1368. This error is replace maintenance cartridge error. Okay, now I am going to show you how to replace cartridge. First open this backside screw. Okay, remove cover and remove maintenance cartridge. Okay, this is maintenance cartridge. I am replacing two new one. Okay, you see this is new maintenance cartridge. After insert new maintenance cartridge and refit cover. Okay, fix screw. Okay, power on printer and check printer is ready to print. Okay, check printer maintenance cartridge live. You see maintenance cartridge is 0. Okay, empty. Okay, now take a nozzle check print to check print out printer is ready or not. Okay, you see print is coming. Now check print quality is good. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.